5-6. At there's a ball. At call for a charging foul on shot clock. At there's a call. Call for a charging foul for illegal pig. Same. Parking lot. Pero meron pang nakuhang foul. Last touch na sana at meron pang nakuhang foul laban sa team ng Cagayan de Oro. Boys, 35-55. We have a 20-point at number 7. Pero yung isa sa mga player nagdudumugan. Call for a double unsportsmanlike foul. Call for a double unsportsmanlike. Call for unsportsmanlike foul.